Welcome to the Wiki Journal. In this informative tutorial, I will teach you how to give a credit on Instagram. Before starting a video, if you are the new user on our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Please be sure that the photo credit is someone adding to your post or photos. So now we are going to show you that what is actually it and how you will give a credit to your friend. First you have to go to your profile and then click on the plus icon at the top and now select the post. So search for the post which you want to photo credit. So you will it's sure that you will select a photo of your friends in which you and your friend may be the same and you want to give a credit to him. But let I select any random photo to teach you the way how to you give a photo credit. So if you want to edit the post, you have the edit option here and you will give a contrast, temperature, any other, all of the options are there. So then click on the done option, and now in this step you see the caption portion. If you simply type the @ and then type the name of your friend, and at the second option is that you click on the tag option and then click on the invite collaboration. Once you click on it, only type the name of your friend here and his profile will be here, and then click it. Then click on the next and share it. So these are the simple way to give a photo credit to your friends of who is with your photo, and these are the simple way. If this video is informative for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.